मैं आज सुबह आया तो मैं सोच रहा था that somehow despite the fact that I am not in the line of UPSC or something, it still always thrills me to do more in any ways possible for the country. And
Yes,
it was like a question that was going in me that I'll ask you all people someday, that give me the vision of India that you want to see, and real vision that you see yourself, not something कि आप बस अपना एक आंसर लिख के दे रहे हो। वो
yes.
बताओ जो आपको लगता है कि आपको एक्चुअली चेंज करना है, विद विच यू फील दिस कंट्री कैन बी बेटर देन व्हाट इट इज टुडे। बिकॉज आईएएस बन जाना, आईपीएस बन जाना, उस जगह पहुंच जाना इज वन थिंग, बट हैविंग दैट विजन, दैट क्लैरिटी, मूविंग ahead with that, and then giving that whole community feeling to everyone. So like if you have five people today with you who are living with a similar, quite similar kind of vision, and they are moving towards it with zeal, and the purpose is to eventually show that patriotism and bring up that change that is needed so that this country becomes the greatest of all. But for that,
Yes.
every other day that has to happen. So for that sake, यूपीएससी वालों के लिए डायरेक्टली बोला जाता है कि यू आर द पीपल हु आर द मेन फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ दिस कंट्री, हु डू ऑल द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। सीएस के लिए बोला जाता है स्पेसिफिकली दैट पार्टनर्स इन नेशन बिल्डिंग। हमारा
Yes.
जो टैगलाइन है वो यही है, पार्टनर्स इन नेशन बिल्डिंग। So we are no
Yes.
lesser, doing things, though again, it is on a certain side, which is again the same. Everybody is doing those specific sides, and that's how it is supposed to be. But yeah, I will like to ask that someday to everyone, randomly here and there, कि वो कौन सा विजन है, वो कौन सा चेंज है जो आपको लगता है आपको लाना है, एंड देन हैविंग दैट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कम्युनिटी कनेक्ट विद ईच अदर, कि हम सभी लोग आगे जाएंगे, हम सभी लोग क्लियर करेंगे, and one fine day being connected with each other will bring the kind of change that is possible everywhere that we will be.
Definitely. So the India that we want is the power is with youth of this country. Definitely, we are the one who can channelize our energy, this youthful energy, into something big. And definitely, my vision that I see India is like I want to serve very honestly to my country. This is something I have the vision because for me to remain honest is very important with my country.
Exactly,
Yes,
exactly.
that not I'm not a person who's fond of money, nothing. Just I want to serve the country. That's why I'm into this field. When I have got into some kind of business because I belong to business family.
You told us before,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, sir.